guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? I'm back again with a new video. So today I'm going to do a review video on a really nice product. So as you guys know, I'm so much into hair. I really like growing my hair. I like to maintain my hair. So I've got a really nice product for you in this video. So guys, the product is this one. So look at the products. These are the products and these are by the brand Trycone. So these are like onion products. If you guys know me, I am so into growing my hair. I like my hair like long, thick, strong. So as you guys know, I've been talking about like in my previous videos that my hair is falling off so bad. So I actually use like real onion juice on my hair, and that stopped a little like hair fall. So now my hair is much better. It still like falls but very less. Now I've got this product. If you're someone who's like got no time for onion juice and stuff, you don't want to deal with that messy thing, then this is the product for you guys, because this is like onion product. Let me show you. This is how the oil looks like, and I'll show you the application of oil. So this is how I use this. Since it's like onion oil, it's gonna help your hair like stay strong long, because it's onion. So onion is really good for your hair, and this product has like red onion, vitamin E, sandalwood oil, rose oil, mango butter, shea butter, coconut oil, castor oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, sunflower oil, so isomylurate. I'm so bad at chemistry. So you know, all that nice products, all that nice things they have in this oil. So it's definitely gonna, you know, work wonders for your hair. Just try it out once if you like, because you know, onions are always good for your hair. Definitely try something related to onion, especially if it's by the brand Trycone, because this is like really good brand. And this retails for $5.95, and for a net weight of this product is 200 ml. So I'll be showing you how I apply this oil, if you can see. So you basically need to just take few drops of oil in your fingers and just massage it on your scalp, and then you know, do the same thing and massage all over your scalp, and then tilt your head down and just keep massaging it. And this is how the oil looks like. And yeah, this would be really nice for your hair. I have used it a couple of times, and this is the result of my hair. As you can see, it looks really nice, soft and smooth, because I used the oil and then I went ahead, washed my hair with this shampoo. This is Trycone shampoo. It's really nice shampoo, you guys. I absolutely love this shampoo. So yeah, this is how it looks like. All of this you know, ingredients, whatever, it's written in the back, and it's really safe to use on your hair, I am sure, because I used it and I feel my hair got so soft after using this. Because I also used conditioner, because it's really important. Oil is for your scalp, shampoo is for your like hair over here. You have to, you know, wash your hair with your scalp, and then conditioner is for the ends. So yeah, you have to use all of them together. You don't have to, but you know, if you use it, that's nice. This is like conditioner, Trycone conditioner, very nice conditioner. I love it. It's pure white. Conditioners are always white, but then this is like too white. I mean, it's like so white creamy stuff, and it's really nice. I mean, it looks really nice. I just apply the conditioner to all over my ends from here to the end, and yeah, and it makes my hair really nice and soft. I actually like it. If you're someone who want to buy this product, then you can use the coupon code. If you're a first time buyer, then use the coupon code welcome to something. I'll have it in the description box down below, so you can check out the description if you want to buy the product. I'll have all the links of the products in the description box down below, in case if you want to buy. And if you're first purchase, then you're gonna get like 10% off on the first purchase. So yeah, it's gonna be really nice. And yeah, it says that it grows your hair, damage control, strength, and shines your hair, the conditioner. And the shampoo says that it's hair fall control, dandruff, hair growth, enriched with vitamin E and natural extract. It made my hair really nice, honestly. I am someone like, I don't really like trying on new products on my hair, but when it comes to like onion products, you definitely have to, because onions are really good for your hair. So I actually like the products. I'm so into these products. This is like really nice product, and I really recommend you guys to use it, because you know, if you're someone who wants to grow your hair, if you just want to, you know, stop hair fall, then definitely use all this. Because nowadays, you know, in this fast life, nobody has time to extract onion juice and apply it on your hair. That's a huge mess. I used to do do that. And it's like, because my hair was falling off really bad, so I had no other choice. I used to do that. These are the same products as the juice. It's just that this is much simpler to use on your hair. Just put the oil on, wait for like half an hour, and wash your hair with the same onion shampoo, with same conditioner, and your hair is going to be really thick and really nice. So yeah, I use this product like twice already, and I think I can see the difference. Check out the description box down below for all the links and all, for the coupon code and all. Check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoy this, and make sure you subscribe my channel, follow my Instagram if you really want to see more of me. And yeah, if you want to see more of this kind of videos, review videos, let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, I just really wanted to do this video really quick, so I did it. I'll come back again with like more videos. So yeah, bye for now. I'll see you guys next time.